students, welcome back to the online classes of KVD Academy. Myself Kisa sir, as your computer science teachers. Today I am going to teach you the same topics about computer virus to class 6, 7 and 8. This is same topics for the computer users also. Nowadays you think in the minds, what is a virus? You know, virus. You think the virus is science, you study about virus. In computer also there is a computer virus. So this computer virus, a computer's virus is a destructive software created to harm a computer's and damage its content. And this computer virus, virus were two Pakistani brothers. Their name is Basit and Amjad from Lahore. They belong from Lahore in Pakistan. Developed the brain virus in the year 1986. In the year 1986, two brothers Basit and Amjad from Lahore in Pakistan developed the brain virus in the year 1986. Means this computer virus, when it comes into your computer, it damages the computer's hardware contents and it can replicate itself. Suppose you are fall ill, say doctor advise you to take the medicine. So that's why computer also fall sick. They were attacked by the virus. You know, the full form virus is vital information resource under siege. This is a full form of virus, and this virus were first developed by two Pakistani brothers. Their name were Basit and Amjad in the year 1986. This computer virus stops the proper function of the computers. It can, when you start a computer, it takes a lot of time to start. Why? Because your computers were totally fault with virus. Means your, all the contents of the computer were invaded by the virus. Your the computer processors, CPU, its hard disks are not functioning in a proper way. That's why it was attacked by the virus. That's why you should you are advised to install a antivirus software. There are Norton keys, Kaspersky. This is known as one of the antivirus program you should need to install in your computer or in your mobiles, so that your computer or mobiles function in a smooth way. Hence, it affected only the 5.25 inch floppies. Means that when they developed the Basit and Amjad the virus, it destroyed. It infected the floppies disks which are installed in the computers. So that's why we should need to install antivirus software program in the computers. So we should need to protecting computer virus from virus attack. Suppose you, if you wanted to save your computers from the virus attacks, you should follow first install antivirus software. You should need to install a antivirus software in your computer. That's why when you install a computer, there is a firewall, and this firewall protect the computer from other externals virus such as Trojan horse, malwares, steal virus, like this. Second, take regular backups of all important files. Means if you install, if you do a perform a similar job in your computer, there's a lots of files, so you should need to backup the files. If you backup the files, suppose your computers and files other contents were totally misfault, then this backup give you idea and steps, and you should do your work according to needs. So backup is very necessary. There is a backup in your mobile also. So there is need to backup the files. Third one, boot from hard disks. You know, there is a hard disk, and from the hard disk you should need to booting. You know, booting, the starting procedure of the computer is known as booting. When the computer booting is read the hard disk, it reads the memory and install in a contents of the hard disk. So there is a need to boot virus hard disks. Fourth one, never download from unreliable sites. Suppose there is many sites open in the computer. There are many sites open in the computer to install these things, to perform this. So never install anything from the unknown process, unreliable things. So don't go to the website which is stranger for you. Fifth one, never trust free antivirus. Means antivirus program is very needed, but sometimes your computers, in your mobile, some free antivirus come. So there is no need to install the free antivirus. If you install antivirus, there is a antivirus software give you a license. So without license, without any pirated software, there is no need to install in your computers. Avoid spam files. Suppose you open an email ID or Gmail ID, there is inbox. There is no need to open the inbox message, because in the inbox there is a spamming message also, and you are attacked by the hackers. So that's why there is no need to read the spam message. And never use pirated software. You know, software is, suppose someone use the software, so you should also know there is no need to use this same software in your computers. If you install this pirated software, your computers contains its parts, its floppy disks, A drive, C drive, D drive, E and F others drive were totally fault, and your computer needs to be installed. So that's why we should need to do any computer jobs in a careful manners. Don't use any strangers pirated files, floppy disks also, CD or DVD, pen drive. There is no need to install from other softwares, other computer about DVD, CD and pen drives. These devices, if you enter in your computer, your computers may be come into the dangers. So that's why you should install antivirus softwares, and there is need to back up your files, because this virus is very harmful to you. Nowadays you see there is a virus attack also, crack the file also, copy your file also, and so there is a very lots of dangers today. So that's why you should do anything in a careful manner. Thank you. Have a nice day.